Hello guys, nizere ko mumeze neza muri hose. Niba utameze neza ndagukomeje kandi ntagahora gahanze, ushobora kutameze neza uyu munsi ejo ukazaba umeze neza. So ngaye kaze rero kuri YouTube channel yanjye Connect with the Draw. In today's video I'll be answering some of the questions you asked me about me. Bimbajije mu Cyongereza ako ndagenda mvanga, it's okay. Ikibazo cya mbere cyarambazaga ngo what is my favorite drink and food. Okay, I just like isombe. Isombe is number one, and eggs. Nkunda isombe, nkunda amagi, amagi nayo mu biribwa whatever, ariko nkunda amagi n'inanasi. Okay, the second question was what is my biggest fear. My biggest fear, losing the loved ones. My favorite TV show, The Pit, The Dream Job. The Dream Job, guys, this one ndagisimbuka. So the next question is what are my hobbies. Nkunda koga, sibyo? Nkunda koga, nkunda kureba movies, and what I'm doing right now is my hobby, one of my hobbies. What is my favorite song at the moment? My favorite song right now, ntabwo nyizi. Ariko nsikariya Bruce Melody. So what is my favorite color? My favorite color, I just like nude colors. Dream vacation, guys. This one, I dream having my vacation in Japan. It's my dream. So what is the last person you texted? Ntabwo numva ikintu wari ushatse kumbaza hano. Last person you texted, I don't know. Most used emojis, I just like using heart. Yeah, heart emoji. My favorite book is Painful Tears. What is your favorite place to shop? Guys, when I was young, I used to like nakunda gushopingira Nakumatt, but now Nakumatt is it still there? No, that was the mu bihe byacu bya kera turi abana, but now I'm addicted to online stores. I've been scammed, what and what, but I never get tired. So what is an embarrassing memory? My embarrassing memory, my embarrassing memory, I was just a teenager. I was a teenager, ariko teenager urangije secondaire. Noneho nari ngiye kwandikira boyfriend wanjye message, and I ended up texting my dad. Till now ntabwo njye mbyibagirwa, mba numva buri gihe uko mbyibutse mba numva ari ikintu kineye isoni na n'umwe. So the next question is what is my shoe size. My shoe size is 38. What makes you cry? What makes me cry? What makes me cry? Okay. Joy makes me cry. Pain makes me cry. Yeah. What makes you laugh? What makes me laugh? I don't know. Even now I'm laughing, but I don't know. What is the worst thing someone could do to you? Using me. I hate someone when he's using me. So what is your childhood confession? Childhood confession? Ikibazo ntabwo nakibuka. What are your favorite animals? My favorite animal is dog and a bird. What is something that cheers you up? Something that cheers me up. Going out. Yeah. What is a funny way you've gotten hurt recently? A funny way. Actually, it's not funny, but I took someone's responsibility and do it, and the consequences came to me. So what is your favorite number? My favorite number is 7. What is a place where you want to be? A place when you want to be alone, you go. Maybe yashaka kumbaza nyine ahantu njya yashaka kuba ndi njyenyine. It's the forest. Yashaka kuba njyenyine kwitekerezaho njya mu ishyamba. What's something that you wouldn't do for $5 million? Nothing. Go. I'm all in. $5 million. I'm in. Because ibibazo ni byinshi ntabwo nabivamo ngo mbirangize. Ibibazo 53 no. Ndagenda mbisimbuka. What is your favorite candy? I don't like candies. So, movie you watched? Ndagisimbuka. Favorite coffee? Cappuccino. How do you feel right now? I feel okay. I'm okay. What is the last place you drove? Town? If you had to get a tattoo, what would it be of? A dove. Guys, ibibazo ni byinshi. What inspires you? Oh. Ni byinshi. Ntabwo nabivamo ngo birangize, guys. This was my intro video. This is my first official introduction. So stay tuned.